Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I clarify my scalp using clay. I'll be using bentonite clay and hibiscus tea, popularly known as zobo, for this process. I'll be making use of these two bowls, the white one for mixing my clay mask and the green one for my hibiscus tea. So I'm just going to take 3 spoons of the bentonite clay, add my hibiscus tea and mix till I get my desired consistency. If you don't have the hibiscus tea, you can use ACV, that is the apple cider vinegar, and water. Now I'm going to apply the mask on my scalp. My hair has already been detangled, so I'm just going to separate it a little before applying the mask on my hair and my scalp. Before applying the mask on my hair, I'm going to make sure that I spritz my hair with some water. I have just water in my spray bottle. So let's dive into the benefits of bentonite clay. Bentonite clay helps to clarify the scalp by removing excess dirt and toxins from the scalp and hair. It helps to cleanse the scalp and condition the hair. This doesn't mean you should not condition your hair afterwards. Another amazing benefit of this clay is that it reduces frizz and works for dry scalp and hair. Clay wash shouldn't be done often, as this can lead to more dryness and excess breakage. Always deep condition your hair after every clay wash to help restore moisture to the hair. Now let's move to the benefits of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is popularly called zobo in Nigeria. The tea is made from dried hibiscus leaves soaked in warm water. Hibiscus tea for natural hair helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. It prevents hair loss and reduces frizz. Now that I'm done applying the mask on my hair, I'll cover with a shower cap for 20 minutes before washing it out. So while I was waiting, I decided to apply the remaining parts of the mask on my face. It didn't actually do much. So I just finished washing my hair, and you can see how my hair is well clean and shining. The clay wasn't difficult to wash out at all. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Also drop your questions if you have any. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.